Office. The purpose of World Post Day is to create awareness of the role of the postal sector in peoples and businesses. Every day lives and its contribution to the social and economic development of countries. So, for celebrating this day, we are going to represent our views through poems or speeches, and let's honor the service that links friends and families with each other from across borders. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Chandraprakash Singh. I am from class 5th B. Today I am going to tell you all about post office. Post office services is the cheapest mode of communication. Post office services started in India in 1 April 1854. Post office is found in every city, town and village. Post office are used to send letters and receive letters. In the post office, postman, postmaster and peon are working. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aradhya Chaudhary. Class 4th A. So I will speak the speech on post office. The post office is helpful to us. It helps in many ways. We send and receive our letters. Post office runs by government of India. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Shaman Chaudhary from the class 4B. I am here to express my views on the topic letter. A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another through a media. A term usually excludes written message indirectly on its owner trace large number of figures such as newspaper and placards. Also, even we may include the form of open letters. Letters can be informal or formal depending on the audience to be written is to. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Imraj Yadav from class 4th B. Today I am going to tell you about letter. A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on a paper. A letter is a conversation between two parties. The conversation can be personal as well as professional. The personal messages are sent through informal letters and professional messages are sent through formal letters. Thank you. Good morning to all my dear teachers and friends. Today I is going to speaking few lines on stamp. The penny black was the world's first edition postage stamp was used in public postal system. This is first issued in United Kingdom, referred to in philatelic circles as Great Britain on 1 May 1814, but not varied until 6 May. The stamp featured like a Queen Victoria. Thank you.
Located in cities, towns and villages. In a big city or a town, there are many branches of post office. The post office is very useful for people.
Hello everyone, my name is Anakash Yadu of class 5th grade. My topic is post office. Post office is very helpful for us. It helps in many ways. We send or receive letters through post office. The post office is cheapest way to communicate. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chandraprakash Singh. I am from class 5th B. Today I am going to tell you all about post office. Post office services is the cheapest mode of communication. Post office services started in India in 1 April 1854. Post office is found in every city, town and village. Post office are used to send letters and receive letters. In the post office, postman, postmaster and peon are working. Thank you.
I am Ishwara class 4B. Today I am telling about one post day. One post day happens each year on 9th October, the anniversary of the Universal Postal Union (UPU), which started in 1874 in Switzerland. Introducing the ability to write letters on each other the world. World Post started in 1969. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Bhavya Sharma of class 3.
postman comes with letter 1, 2, 3, they are for my mom or dad, but never one for me. I'm gonna write some letters though. That were I'm going to do. Then my friends will answer me and get some letters too. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आयुष कुमार है। मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। उसका नाम डाकिया है। देखो एक डाकिया आया, थैला एक हाथ में लाया, पहने है वो खाकी कपड़े, चिट्ठी भी गई हाथ में पकड़े, बांट रहा है घर वो चिट्ठी, मुझको भी ला के दी चिट्ठी, चिट्ठी में संदेश आया, शादी में हमें बुलाया, शादी में हम जाएंगे, खूब मिठाई खाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Study in class 3rd A. My topic is letterbox. Most away when the postman comes with letter, 2 or 3 letters, but never one from me. I am going to do 2 letters, some letter thought I am going to do.